is the inspiration for all of my soaps. Hello and welcome to Amy's F. Nice to see you again. If you're a return visitor, happy to see you. If you've dropped in to say hello, watch to the end, I dare you. Okay, so we're going to put our oils in here, not loads, there's a professional term for you, good grief, not a great amount, not tons, goodness, because this soap we're doing today is a kind of special soap inspired by the person who inspired this channel. They are a special guest who will be showing up at the end of the video, so please, so please stay for the duration where our special guest will be showing us how wonderful my soap is to do a specific job. Mystery and mystery. Little bit of a blitz. Let's go. So I'm going to attempt to do an ombre effect with this very plain soap, with natural fragrances. Today I am going to be using a combination of lemon and orange for this particular one, for the freshness, for the zing, for the wake you up in the morning, because it's going to be that kind of soap. Alright, let's give us a little pour. I don't know how this is going to actually be an ombre now because my soap is thickening up. That's me attempting, as usual, to do too much in a small amount of time. Okay. So I've just added some more uncoloured soap to be able, and I'm chucking the fragrance in, I'm chucking the fragrance oil in as I go, because I'm not 100% sure how this is going to turn out. So we'll see, won't we? We'll see. Let's see. Okay, next one, next layer. So I'm supposed to be doing an ombre effect where it starts off white and then it goes lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter until we have sort of the nude colour that soap is, if you like. Not completely nude, but I think you know what I mean. So that's the plan. That is the plan. Plain, simple, and eloquent enough, I suppose. But it can be used as a cleansing bar. Oh, giving a little, giving it, oh no! Oh no! Let's just get rid of that, shall we? There we go. There you go, you can't see it, it never happened. More uncoloured soap. More mess. Mess. More fragrance oil. You gotta do what you gotta do, eh? Oh, I must say though, that orange and lemon smells divine. Gordon Bennett, it's lovely. fastest soap in the history of mankind, to be fair. However, if you do want to see the very purpose of this soap, please stay. I know you're all very busy. Aren't we all? We are, aren't we? And I don't know about you, but I watch YouTube sat on the toilet. I know, sorry, just too much information. But it's the only time I get any peace and quiet. Please tell me I'm not the only person. I'd be completely scundered if I was. Scundered, which means humiliated, embarrassed, ashamed. Fill in the blanks. Let me know. What are your words from where you hail that would mean you would be highly embarrassed, highly humiliated, highly, yeah, scundered is just, I think it's a great word. Yeah, I've got you in a position where I'm leaning super forward and breaking my back. I don't know why on earth I'm doing that. Crazy woman. All right, I think that will do. Now, we're going to leave it for a lot of minutes, and I'm going to clean my desk because it looks like a soap exploded on it, and we will texture it shortly. Okay, so we have set up enough now to do a little bit of texturing. I'm going to just bring it all into the middle, nothing fancy, because the idea of this soap is simplicity. So there we have it, that's it. So we will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut the soap and to meet the special guest to show you what the soap was for. I do hope you'll stick around for it because she's an absolute darling. Bye for now. Welcome back. Although for me it's been a little bit longer than it has for you. So ordinarily this should have been 18 to 24 hours, but when I was making this loaf and the other one that you didn't see me making, I actually was quite poorly for several weeks afterwards. So we're back here now after, I don't know, maybe 3-4 weeks. So between being ill and having family, staying and being busy, yes, eventually we're back. Anyway, let's get down to the soap, shall we? So you might be able to see here, if you remember the fragrance, it was lemon and orange. So we have these very slight discoloration of the orange. I don't mind that. It still smells absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is get cracking on cutting it. Though it might be a little bit more difficult than ordinarily because it's been so long. So I might need to put my back into it. Oh yeah. And down she goes, nice and easy. Wow. Alright, so this isn't going to be spectacular, obviously, because there's no embeds and there's no exciting things to look at really. Not at all. We have the lighter at the bottom and then we can see it coming up little by little by little until we get the little bit of kind of natural coloured soap at the top. So I'm actually quite pleased with that. It worked out maybe not quite as ombre as I like, but you know, ombre enough. They're all going to be pretty much the same. slight bit of swell. So I'm going to fly through them super fast. Oh, I actually like that one. I like that one. That's nice and pretty. And the smell, glorious. Absolutely glorious. So I have to tell you, this is the simplest soap I have ever made. Usually there's colours or the synthetic fragrances. What I didn't mention when I talked about the fragrance was it was actually essential oils. So what is in this soap at the moment is orange and lemon essential oils. So that makes the soap even more natural for skin. So there we go. That's our loaf. And what we're going to do now, by magic, is fly over to our special guest house, where she's going to show you what we're going to do with it. She is the inspiration for all of my soaps and for the soap channel. This is my only gorgeous daughter, Amy. Say hello, Amy.
Hello, guys.
So Amy wanted a simple soap. She wanted one that was good because, as you can see from all of this gear here, Amy is not only a nail technician, she's also a qualified makeup artist, amongst her many other talents. And as you can see, look at that gorgeous face. I mean, hello, is she not the most beautiful thing in the world? Yes, Amy's now going to show us how easy this soap is. So this is the soap I've made. She wanted it with essential oils, she wanted it with no colours, and she wanted it for cleansing. So now we're going to do a wee demonstration on how easy it comes off. So Amy, you can talk us through what you're doing and why you like the easiness of the soap.
So first I'm just going to wet my wee makeup removing pad. These are very, very easy and also rewashable in a wash machine. I find it easiest to just have your soap sitting in a dish and just rub the wee pad on the soap and keep dabbing it in the water and keep rubbing it on the soap as well, just to get a wee bit more of a lather, because the more lather it is, the easier it is basically to break down the makeup on your face. I also think it's good to have minimal essential oils on a face balm and soap, because obviously some people would find it irritating for essential oils on their face and it can cause them to break out. So minimal essential oils means less chance of breakouts, and also some people just don't always like really smelly face soaps. But to be fair, mums always smell amazing. So I'm literally just going to use circular motions on my face to take off the makeup, and you can go back in the water and rub back in the soap as many times as you need. But to be totally honest, you're not really going to need to, because it lathers like a dream. Like, you can already see the breakdown of the makeup, and because I am a makeup artist, my makeup is very, very high quality. And I would struggle a lot trying to get it off with normal makeup removers or normal soaps. But because Mum's is natural and vegan and has really, really, really good natural oils in it, it literally breaks down the makeup straight away. It is very, I have only ever found one actually other makeup remover that breaks it down, and it's more like a balm, so it is very, very similar to your soap, only yours is in soap.
Let's see the colour of that water now.
Oh well, it's a bit foamy from all your beautiful lather, mother, but once the soap breaks down in the water, we can see the beautiful orange colour of the water.
So the essential oils I put in this soap were lemon essential oils and orange essential oils. And orange essential oils are really actually very good, not only for your mental health because it lifts your spirits, but it's also very good. Yeah, did you not know that?
No.
Oh yeah, it's very good because it's a very invigorating smell. And also it's a great antioxidant. It has antioxidant properties, and it's actually very good for skin in general.
Well, good, because mine hates me right now.
Is that it? Wow,
Yeah,
that was quick,
it's
wasn't it?
Literally 2 to
Holy
3
cow.
minutes.
So just as I'm going to bring you a wee bit closer, just as a disclosure as well, Amy has tattooed eyebrows, so
No wiping them off.
yeah,
No matter how good your soap
that's
is.
not coming off. Her eyebrows, she got so fed up a couple of years ago of doing her eyebrows that she was like, I'm done, I can't bother anymore, I'm just going to get them tattooed. So
And ironically ended up winning a competition, didn't have to pay for it.
there you go.
But yeah, that's literally
Wow, and that was a full face of makeup, wasn't it?
Yeah.
With foundation
full face.
and powder.
That was also wearing a primer.
Okay.
That was also foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blusher, mascara, eyebrow powder, lip gloss, lip liner, and also setting spray. So setting spray, considering I've only put it on about 20 minutes, half an hour ago, should not, well, I say should not be coming off that easily, but like for your soap it should be coming off that easily because your soap's that good. But yeah, like completely off.
Ta-da!
I finally found a product I could wipe my makeup.
So give us a wee squish of that water and let's just see if we can't see the dirt in it of your lovely delicious makeup. I don't wear makeup. I can't be bothered. Wow, look at that. That looks like a latte.
Doesn't it? A very, very large latte.
You know, like one of those gigantic Italian cups of
Yeah,
coffee. It really
even has
does.
foam.
A very, very weak latte, however, but still.
I'm trying to draw a heart, but it's just
Yeah,
not
good
working.
luck.
And the fact I did not have to re-dip into the soap. That
Oh,
was
really?
one-
I
no,
didn't even notice that. Is that the case?
That was one swipe on the soap, lathered up a wee bit, and that's it. I did not have to go back to it.
Unbelievable.
So it also means you're not getting your soap dirty and full of makeup because you don't need to go back into it.
Happy days, which is even better. You see, I wouldn't have known this information because I don't wear makeup, only for the fact that Amy loves using my soap. She came to me one day and just, do you know how good your soap is taking makeup off? And I went, no.
I would also just like to add a wee tip. If you do find your sponge getting a wee bit dry, that doesn't necessarily mean you need more soap, it means you need more water, and then it'll start to lather up again.
Well, that is us. Lovely, lovely, lovely subscribers and people who decided to watch our video. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, yes, absolutely. Thank you to Amy, my wonderful model.
You're welcome.
I mean, she's gorgeous anyway, but I mean, you know, even at that, for displaying the soap that cleans that gorgeous face. So if you liked this video, please like, and if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe.
And ring the bell for notifications.
Oh, there you go. You see, she's so much better at this than me. I should just get her to do my promotional stuff and I can just make the soap. She could do the voiceover.
And share to all your family and friends.
And share. Oh, thank you. Okay. We will see you next time. So, bye for now.